On this video, we got a skid loader with 289, and we're going to give you a quick rundown on just the pre-start procedures, things you want to look at before you start the machine. So we'll open the back door here. First thing you want to check is your oil. Engine oil dipstick is right here. Oil looks good. While you got the back door open, you just kind of want to look at everything, you know, make sure things look normal, make sure there's no leaks, stuff like that. We got our coolant right here. That's in the acceptable range. Like I said, just kind of want to look at everything, make sure everything looks good. Check your oil, your coolant. Here on the right side of the machine is where you check hydraulic oil. It's tucked way down in this little hole. This little sight gauge. You see it right there. It is good. It's in the acceptable range. Then we'll go up to the cab here. Another thing that's always good to check in everything on the farm, not just skid loader, is your service. Most of the time, everything will have a sticker in it. It tells you the hours of the mileage. Excuse me. So we'll put our arm levers down. They have to be down before you start it. We'll close the door. Key on the right side, left side here, I'm sorry. Turn it on. You have to wait a second or two before you can actually start it. And if it's cold, you have your glow plugs. You gotta wait for that light to go off before you can start it. So the light's off. Go ahead and start it. And it is running. Like we said, we got our hours up here on the mirror. So I'll show you here on the screen how to check the engine hours on this 289. Click any button here to get that off the screen. So the hours of this machine are displayed on the main screen. Right there is hours right below the flashing hourglass. We have 663 hours on this machine, and it is to be serviced at 945. So the oil change is good. Now to move the machine, you got this red park brake button. When you push that, that light will go off and you are ready to roll.